Regular detoxification of lungs will help in smooth functioning and help in expulsion of toxins. Thus it is important that we choose healthy foods to cleanse our lungs, so as to reduce common lung diseases and respiratory problems such as asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia and cystic fibrosis. Here are some foods which are great for good lung health. Garlic. The anti-inflammatory properties along with a high level of allicin helps to fight infections and reduces inflammation. Garlic has also been considered by many as being an effective remedy in improving asthma and can help to reduce the risk of lung cancer. Apples. An apple is healthy, loaded with nutrients, high energy, high fiber, low-calorie food. Its flavonoids and the wide variety of vitamins and antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, helps us to maintain a strong immune system and a healthy respiratory system. When we have healthy respiratory functions, we can fight off lung diseases and prevent them naturally. Ginger. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger will help to clear your lungs naturally. You can add ginger to various dishes as it is a widely used herb. Also, you can add it in your morning tea. You can also use it to prepare ginger tea blended with some lemon in it. This is beneficial to remove toxins from the respiratory tract. Green tea. Drink a cup of your favorite herbal green tea before going to bed to release toxins in the intestine that can lead to constipation or other stomach ailments. You should refrain from overloading your lungs with tedious work during this purification process. Lentils. In order to optimize the oxygen transportation faculties of the lungs, healthy hemoglobin levels are absolutely critical. Hemoglobin is a protein molecule that is found in red blood cells and aids in transporting oxygen from the lungs to body tissue. As an added benefit, hemoglobin stimulates the internal processes that returns carbon dioxide back to the lungs to be expelled from the body. Black beans, cow peas, dried peas, lentils, red kidney beans, garbanzo beans, and soybeans are some foods containing properties that raise hemoglobin levels. Additionally, supplement beans and lentils with vitamin C-rich foods to maximize iron absorption. Thank you for watching. Your Healthline Matters. Subscribe to Healthline Matters so you do not miss any of our weekly video tips and secrets to improve your health, fitness, and lifestyle.